Do you know how to highlight the cells based on your own condition? Let's explore with an example. Requirement: I want to highlight the cells where we have sales greater than $80,000. It should be highlighted in green. Also, I want to highlight the cells where we have sales less than $30,000. It should be highlighted in red. Step 1. Select the range. Step 2. Click on Conditional Formatting from Home Command tab. Step 3. Click on Highlight Cells Rules, then select Less Than. Step 4. Enter the value $30,000 and select the format from right-hand side drop-down. Then, click OK. Now, repeat the same steps for greater than condition. Select the range. Click on Conditional Formatting from Home Command tab. Click on Highlight Cells Rules, then select Greater Than. Enter the value $80,000 and select the format from right-hand side drop-down. Then, click OK. Now, if you like to change the font color or fill color or format, select the range where you want to change the format of condition format. Click on Conditional Formatting from Home Command tab. Click on Manage Rules. You are able to see your conditions. Now, select the one which you want change and click on Edit Rule. Then, click on Format. Now, we are able to change the format. Once you selected, click on OK. Then click OK from Edit Formatting Rule. And click on Apply and OK.